They just disrespected me putting my food on my floor. Dropping videos every single day for the month of March. Don't be holding yourself back from opportunities because you're scared, boo. Don't do it. The knock on my door. Hey guys, welcome back to my Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're about to do a mukbang, as you see by the title. Just not a regular mukbang though. You know how we do, girls. But anyways, your girl just ordered some DoorDash. I'm waiting on sis to pull up. She should be here any minute. Let me check. Let's check where this girl at, because baby, we is hungry. Well, I am hungry. I had a long day. Oh look, it says arriving now. I had a long day. I cannot wait to eat this. I'm excited. So yeah, where's sis at? She been here. She been in that same spot for a minute. And honestly, girl, you're in the wrong spot. One thing about DoorDash, they're gonna deliver your food to the wrong house. Wait, what happened? Oh, hold on. I'm making my intro. Excuse CC, but yeah, DoorDash be always bringing the freaking DoorDash orders. When you live in an apartment building, I don't know if you guys go through the same thing, but they be bringing your order to a different door. And I be having to go look for where my food's at because, baby, I know I didn't pay that big old fee for somebody else to have my food. So yeah, I'm waiting on the knock on my door, and then I'm gonna show you guys what we're about to eat. But I had to tell you guys, it is March 2nd today, and tomorrow, starting March 3rd, when this video goes out, I will be dropping videos every single day for the month of March. So make sure you subscribe and leave any ideas down below that you would like for me to do. And I'm gonna come back when this food actually comes, because I don't want to talk you guys' ears off. But if you're not already, make sure you join my Discord. The link will be down below. Because, yeah, we all be chopping it up in there, seeing how each other's days going, all that. And it's just a vibe. So if you want to be gang, then click down below and join my Discord. And since you're down below, girl, join my Twitch, because we about to do a 24-hour stream. And be there or be square. Let me see where this DoorDash is at. Oh, order complete. Bro, don't play with me. Look at Chanel. Oh, it's right here on the floor. On the floor is disrespectful. Let me open this bitch up for you guys. They just disrespected me putting my food on my floor. Look, a whole sandwich. Like, sis, you couldn't just hang it on my doorknob. Next time I'm gonna put that. Your food got there?
Yeah, I saved it at my door.
Oh. Me and Cece's both eating. I got baked Lay's. Let me lower this girl down because she screams at her dog all day. I got baked Lay's and... Ooh, I can smell the lettuce. Hi, Mama. $5 foot long. Well, it ain't $5 no more, but back in the day, it used to be $5. What happened?
$5.
Yeah, remember the commercial used to be $5 foot. Yo, that shit's really a $10 foot long. Since when is footlongs $10 and not $5? Ooh. Okay. You just need to get into this. Okay. Let me take a picture from my phone. Wait, what about the bag of chips though? I don't know how we're about to do this. Okay, I think I did something. But look at that. This is every piece of meat you could think of. Cece, should I mute myself? She muted me. She's doing a video too. She thinks I don't know. What's up, mama? There's every piece of meat in this, like I said. But tomorrow's Friday and it's Lent, so I can't eat meat tomorrow, so I'm gonna just eat some today. Almost choked. Oh, I was about to say, where's my cookies? I know I ordered some cookies. Guys, you know I ordered some cookies. This is for Chanel. This is for your niece. Come here, princess. Leave a comment down below what cookies
Don't forget to pray.
Shit, I already started eating, but I'm gonna pray right now.
Alright.
Thank you, God, for this food. Amen. But oh yeah, leave a comment below what cookies you think I got. I don't know if this is tasting this good because I'm smacked right now or because it's really this good. I don't know which one is it, but your girl's not complaining. It's something about the baked cookies though that do it every time. I'm about to take a picture. I think I'm gonna add this one for my thumbnail. Okay. But yeah, something about that bake. Guys, hold on. I remember what I wanted to talk about in this video. And I remembered. Topic is starting over. It's okay to start over. Think about when you're scared to start over, just think about like God is doing this for a reason because he wants me to be better. Like I'm starting over for a better life. Like I'm starting over for a better, like the way I think. Like sometimes starting over is like a kickstart to your new life. Like, so don't ever be scared. Always take that and like know that God's doing it for you and not to you, and know that this is part of your path that you gotta go. Like maybe this is after this starting over, maybe you're gonna be a billionaire, maybe you're gonna be the happiest girl ever. So don't ever be scared to start over. Sometimes starting over is just so you can reevaluate everything you got going on. Write down a new game plan and get right to it. Don't let anybody stop you. Don't let you starting over knock you off your pivot either. Let you starting over make you go harder than what you was going before. Okay? Whoever made my sandwich today made it with love. Talking about love. Self-care is the best type of love. Self-love is the best type of love. So when you're starting over, love yourself enough to know that you need to start over. Like you need this. You feel me? Love yourself enough to heal and be able to start over. Love yourself enough to want to start over and redo it the right way, whatever you want to do. You know? Don't be holding yourself back from opportunities because you're scared, boo. Don't do it. I knew I seen a cucumber over here. But yeah. People be scared to start over, baby. Starting over is like, I'm talking about like, I'm not just talking about one thing, like a relationship start over. No, I'm talking about everything. Like, start a new business, start from zero. That's starting over, you feel me? Enjoy the process. Literally enjoy it. That's what I'm learning too, to enjoy the process. All this shit comes with it. You gotta enjoy the process. It's not just gonna click overnight for you. You gotta put in the work. Enjoy the process. It's okay to start over. It's okay to start at 0 subscribers. Now's your time. God ain't putting them ideas in your head for no reason. I always say that too. Ooh, so good. Guys, when I'm high, I swear I'm a motivational speaker, as you guys can see. But if I'm touching 1 or 2 of you guys' hearts, then I'm good, okay? I just want you guys to know, like, it's okay to start over. It's okay to have nobody. It's okay. Like, it's really okay. It makes you a better person. It makes you stronger. Like, life's not getting easy. You gotta get stronger, okay? Gotta train your mind. Talking about training your mind, I watched a little baby documentary, and he literally taught me, like, when he was in jail, he said, my body was there, but my mind wasn't. He trained his mind so he didn't, like, lose himself in jail, you feel me? So train your mind. Train your mind. That's literally the key. If you need help training your mind, get the book. Damn, I wish I had it over here. Atomic Habits. It's literally gonna tell you, like, it's okay to start over. Your decisions is who makes you who you are. The decisions you make every day makes you who you are. You wanna wake up sad and mad, then everybody's gonna know you as a sad and mad girl. But if you change that decision of waking up sad and mad and decide you wanna be happy, girl, you're just changing who you are. Start over. Figure out who you want to be so you can be her. So you can work towards her every day. My dogs need to do that some more. Yo. Let me see what Cece's doing.
Yeah.
What you doing? Let me see. You didn't even show me what your food looked like.
My video's not uploaded. My video's not uploaded.
Your video?
Yeah.
What's it saying? Oh no. That does not look good.
It's really good, actually, man.
Is it just cheese?
And chicken. But I'm using some pichagayo.
Mukbanging, we mukbanging.
I need some drink.
Me too. I don't got no drink over here. Huh? Nah, she wants some.
She's a headache.
You still got them baked chips?
Yep.
Fire.
Huh?
But yeah,
What you say?
I said fire.
Did you want some?
No. I got some, boo. Think so? Thank ya. This right
Ran out of
here.
stuff to talk about.
No. Boo. Don't be saying crazy stuff so I don't have to edit my video. Talking about I ran out of stuff to talk about. No. Girls, wasn't I just talking your head off?
That was today.
Oh yeah, no. Did you guys guess what kind of cookies I got? Because I still ain't show you. So make sure you leave a comment
Macadamia.
below. Excuse me? What you said? Bitch, I was talking to them, not you.
Was that right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, can I have one?
Cece was right.
Huh?
Can you have one?
Yeah.
Huh?
I just tried to get to my chips, you freaking
What'd you say?
ass bitch.
What'd you say?
I just tried to share my chips with you, you hogging ass bitch.
Hmm? Mm-mm.
Fuck you.
Come get one.
Oh, I'm running. What time is that? I gotta put my trash outside.
It's only 5:35, boo.
Huh?
I said it's only 5:35. Bro, Subway never disappoints.
I don't really like that.
Why?
But you see me with the snacks.
Hmm? Go fuck yourself. This bitch wanna show me. This bitch wanna show me Reese's.
Back it up.
Chill out before I come over and get some.
That one's for you.
Ew, bro.
Back up, right?
This is so good.
That's just crazy.
Alright. Put this right here.
Huh?
I said I'm gonna put my sandwich right there because I need a cookie right now. You know when you eat something salty and then you need something sweet after? Yeah. Me as fuck. Excuse how I just rolled this up. I don't know how they be doing it. But they be doing it perfect. Yo, look how they packed my cookies. I got 3 in here.
3?
And then I got another 3 in here.
You ordered 6 cookies, Nana?
Yes.
Can you save me 2?
Bitch, you was just saying 3. Now you want me to save you 2?
You got 6.
Nigga, and I bought all 6 to get eaten by me.
And 2 gonna get my other one's birthday. Stop being a fucking hungry ass hoe.
Bro,
I know my mom taught you better than that.
bro, I ordered 6 cookies because I wanted 6 cookies. Now you want me to give you
Well, now
one.
you're gonna have 5.
That sounds crazy.
Go eat your food.
Don't be talking to my niece like that.
I'm trying to find a movie.
Ooh, you want to watch a movie together?
Huh?
When are you taking your dog outside? This girl never takes her dog out. Hold on, guys. I gotta get a drink. Cheers, bitches. And I know this water is not good for you. Amazing.
I would bring you some spring water, but you wanna be a fucking bitch and not let me have some of your cookies.
Didn't I say I was gonna give you one?
Look at you.
What?
That looks so good. Is it warm?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so I should come now, huh?
Whatever you wanna do, boo.
Amazing.
Perfect.
Does that mean save it?
I don't know. I'm about to smoke again after this video.
Oh, well, I'll just meet you when you're walking your dog.
Alright, can you bring me a Reese's?
The guy asked you to save me a Reese's and you didn't.
Oh, so now you want me to save you a cookie and I don't get shit?
Nigga, I'll fucking bring you them baked chips. I'll bring you some water.
No, I want baked chips.
Get no pollution inside of you.
No, baked chips got it. I'm better talk to the TV loud as fuck. Alright. Anyways, these cookies is smacking. If you haven't already, go try these from Subway. They're called macadamia nut cookies, and these is the best cookies. Once you get these, girl, you will never go back. Ever. You're literally, hold on. If you have McDonald's cookies, everybody says McDonald's cookies is the best cookies, but baby, if we're being real, these is the best cookies. You guys hear the people upstairs? One day they're gonna fall through the roof, how loud they be. Mind you, hold on. Mind you, they wake up at 3 a.m. to get ready for work, I guess. Every day they're up at 3:50 something. Making the most noise upstairs, waking me up. Like, buddy, you don't want to pick up your fucking feet? Slamming the doors and shit. Like, I dead can hear that downstairs. I don't know why, but I could literally hear it. I'll be like, here we go again. My dog be barking and shit. I'll be like, yo, they're like my alarm clock, no cap. But yeah, guys, I just been on a mission. I just been being focused. It's 2023. Like, there's no time to waste. Literally been on my bully, been posting. I posted every day in March. I cussed. I missed a couple days, but you seen I was definitely active. I think I put out 15 videos for the month of March. Period. These cookies taste so good. But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking your guys' head off. Thank you if you stayed this far in this video. Thank you so much. Thank you for always showing me love and leaving me comments. All my girls, period. And I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow in tomorrow's video. Mwah!
I look like really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the char really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal. Really cute sweatsuits, like hoodies and sweatpants for like the charcoal.